Hold on to your snacks. The microwave's origin story is a real zinger. Percy Spencer was just an engineer at Raytheon working on radar technology when, zap! One day a chocolate bar in his pocket melted while he was testing a magnetron. Intrigued, Percy experimented with popcorn and eggs, which popped and exploded. Talk about a light bulb moment. By 1947, the first commercial microwave hit the market, but it was huge and pricey. Fast forward, and now we have sleek, affordable microwaves cooking our meals in minutes. So next time you nuke your leftovers, give a nod to Percy Spencer and his accidental culinary breakthrough. Pretty cool, huh?